Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and NIC Phase 2 preparation strategy video for your NIC exam 2023. So I hope you successfully completed your Phase 1 which was most important, and now we are moving to Phase 2. Okay, if you didn't complete full Phase 1, you are in Phase 1, no need to worry, give proper time to yourself. Okay, already 12 plus 3, 15 days are gone for your Phase 1, and I hope that you successfully completed with Phase 1. Okay, it is expected definitely. Now, before going to our strategy, the form last date is 4th April. So properly fill NIC form. Already I made the form filling video. Still, if you get any query, any doubt, you can comment down below. Okay. But before that, watch form filling video, right? Like other exam, now you are watching suppose this video for first time, and if you want to apply for NIC, then watch my videos which I made earlier. That is first video motivation challenge, and if you are from electronics, then whether electronics student should fill form for NIC or not. Okay, these two videos are important. All the videos you will get in the playlist which I will pin in comment section. So slowly we are moving to our dream to get selection in NIC as a scientist B, or as an engineer, or as a HT. Okay, anyone, but definitely priority is scientist B. Correct? Okay. Now for all Master Apex student, already block-wise strategy we started. Yesterday I made the videos in MentorTalk folder. You can see the videos also of block-wise, how to use, what is the purpose. Okay, then how to open the sheet. Everything I have already told you, right? Now in phase 2, basically we will little bit increase your load of preparation, because here what we need to do, we need to revise your phase 1 also and phase 2 syllabus completion. Okay, so now two things we need to carry at the same time, right? Phase 1 revision plus phase 2 syllabus completion. Now most important thing, now phase 1 how you will revise. So I already gave you guidelines that phase 1 you can revise, or you will revise through our block wise strategy only. Okay, already our block wise strategy started. Those who didn't join Success Pack, Master Pack, okay, and if you want to seriously crack this NSC exam, then do join, do not late and do not waste your time, because already we started block wise strategy. Okay, and suppose now you are watching this video for first time, if you want to join, then what you can do, you can start from phase 1 only, because phase 1 is the base. Okay, see, step by step only we need to go in order to get the selection. Okay, it is not like from here you will jump here directly. No, if you first you need to jump here, then from here you will go here. Okay, that is step by step approach. Like in your NSA exam also, step by step you will get selection. First they will conduct your CBT, then interview, and then you will get selection right after medical. So that is the thing only. So just remember this always, that there is no shortcut. You need to just follow the proper guidelines and as per the period. Okay, just take care of that time, whatever period I am mentioning in your phase 1. Like for phase 1 I give 12 days. Okay, 3 days extra now for this video. So 12 plus 3, 15. Correct? But you can try to complete all the things which I mentioned in phase 1 in 3 days only. Sorry, 12 days only. Right? Like that. So time is very much important. Value your time, and if you're serious, then you can join Master Pack. Already all the links and videos are there in your NSC playlist in the comment section, so you can watch them. Right? Okay. So I hope now the theme of phase 2 you got, that syllabus completion of phase 2 plus phase 1 revision, and revision through blockwise strategy only. No need to refer anything, because our blockwise is super strong. Okay, so just follow that. Whatever guidelines I are giving in the sheet, you can follow that. Correct? Okay. Now you will ask me what is the period of phase 2. So we are starting from today only, that is 30th March to 12th April. Okay, it is 13th April. So on 13th is the last day of phase 2, and on 13th I will upload phase 3 video. Correct? Okay. So this is the period of your phase 2. So approximately 15 days for phase 2 I have given to you, and in that only you need to try to complete the things which I will mention in the further video. Okay. Now all the guidelines I already give you in phase 1, so I will not definitely repeat it. Okay, so that we can save our time, which is most important. Correct? So the common guidelines will be same as per your phase 1 video. The extra things I will tell you, right? So now for aptitude, we are taking time, speed and distance, time, work and profit loss discount. These are the 3 chapters which is most important for your NSC. Approximately 3 to 6 questions you can expect from all these chapters. Okay, out of your 42. So be prepared with it. Okay, you should have good confidence in these chapters. Correct? So now those who are new student, again any book you can refer. If you are part of the Master Pack, then videos and notes are there. You can refer that also, no problem in that. Okay, then QBox. Now see, those who are new student, already you completed phase 1 chapter, so you can start QBox from that. Means for those chapter only you can start the QBox. I already gave the practice sheet also chapter wise in your Master Pack extra folder. You can use that also. Okay, first those who are new, first important thing, your practice sheet, and then you can move to QBox, because QBox have mixed questions. Correct? Next is Telegram PDF also you can daily solve whatever you are getting in a Telegram channel. So do join our Telegram channel, most important again. Okay, free master plan we didn't start yet, we will start this soon, so just wait for that. Those who are repeaters, make sure that you know these chapters. If you know, revise, and after revision, Telegram PDF and Q box you need to give. Okay, mock test we will give later, so no need to worry for now. Just be relaxed. Same guidelines for reasoning, and in reasoning we are starting sitting arrangement and syllabus. Okay, here before syllabus one also chapter is very important that I will add, that is Venn diagram. First get the knowledge of Venn diagram, and then definitely you can start with syllabus, because little bit application is there of Venn diagram in syllabus. Okay, if you are using Venn diagram approach. Then any book you can use again, where you will get full syllabus of this in Master Step Pack. Notes and videos are there, you can refer that. Okay, then Telegram PDF compulsory, you need to practice. Plus Q box, which is more important, that also you can practice, right? Those who are repeaters, if you know this, directly hit Q box, okay, and your Telegram PDF, solve maximum questions from this. And again, I am reminding you that last time lots of students failed in non-technical section because of sectional cutoff. So just you don't think like non-technical is easy, I will do that later. No, later kuch nahi hota. Okay, whatever you can do right now is you can do right now only. Okay, this is the perfect time. So do as per our phase-wise strategy. That is the purpose of phase-wise strategy, to guide you that for the particular time what is very important to complete. Right? That is the ultimate motto. Okay, free master plan we didn't started yet, so no need to worry for that. And mock test definitely later we will do. Okay, this is about reasoning. Okay, now in technical, basically first subject of phase 2 we are starting with computer network, most important subject. Okay, for your NSC exam. And again I am telling interview point of view also, exam plus interview, right? So that's why we are taking here in computer network, because last time also good question they asked for the interview, okay, to the student, that's why. So computer network, okay, whatever syllabus they mentioned already you know, so just I load there, there is nothing new here. Main important thing is that now those who join NIC video course, or those who want to join NIC video course, you can get the details below, right? In our NIC video course, approximate minimum hours of content is 41 hours. Okay, maximum I guess it will be 40 to 43, correct? Then if you are using any notes, any book, YouTube वगैरह, from where you are preparing, just keep preparing, make your notes always, very important. Okay, after that when you will complete whole computer network, you need to solve gate 1 mark questions. Okay, gate 1 mark PYQ from 1998 to 2023, you can solve gate 1 mark question only. Okay, no need to go to 2 mark for now. Then in our master step pack, block wise strategy we started for P1, so that continuously you will do. Okay, for now P2 we will start later in P3, obviously we will do like this. Okay, mock test, no need to worry for now. For repeaters, if you know computer network topic each, okay, if you know properly whole computer network subject, then just revise, take 2 to 3 days for revision, and then practice gate 1 mark question as well as 2 mark question also. Okay, now those who are new student, already in your P1 all question of gate, that is 1 mark also 2 mark also you will get in blockwise strategy along with the extra practice questions, right? So that you can refer from that, no need to refer any other thing now. For your P1 already blockwise strategy we started, in that we will cover everything. Okay, no need to worry, right? For repeaters also blockwise strategy is there for P1, and for P2 if you want you can start with gate 1 mark plus 2 mark. Okay, so that you will get good hands. And for P1 also you can solve again gate 1 mark and 2 mark in revision. Okay, main thing, just remember that before your NSC exam we need to complete your gate PYQ practice 3 times. How much? 3 times. Okay, so first time we will do like this, second time those who are repeaters they are doing like this, those who are new student you will do from blockwise. Okay, and third time also we will do like that, step by step we will go, correct? Okay, then second subject we are taking digital logic, and digital logic we have total 43 hours of content in our NIC video course. Okay, approximate, this is minimum, and maximum I think it will be around 46 hours, right? Then again whatever guidelines I told for new student, gate 1 mark question you will practice after completion of this, and those who are repeaters, revise this digital logic, take 2 to 3 days, revise whole, and solve gate PYQ 1 mark and 2 mark. Okay, and whenever we will start blockwise, definitely you will do that, right? Blockwise strategy we started for P1, so P1 continuously you will revise. And the next subject is your computer organization architecture COA. Okay, for which we have approximately 46 hours of content, and this is again minimum, maximum I guess it will be around 50 hours, right? So again the guidelines will be same, gate 1 mark question will practice after completion of this. Those who are new student, those who are repeaters, gate 1 mark plus gate 2 mark you will practice after revision of COA, correct? Blockwise currently, no need to worry, we will start later, right? So this is all the guidelines for your all the subjects of phase 2. Okay, now most important thing, see, basically now as already you completed with your phase 1 subjects, right? And some of you may get demotivated because you will feel that okay you can't solve the gate PYQ questions, some of the questions, not all, obviously some are very easy, you can solve that. Okay, but I can say that out of 100%, 60% questions you can solve, but 40% you can't solve currently, yeah. So see, because of this factor, no need to get demotivated. It is not like that you already read for one time and you will get a good grip on each subject that I mentioned in phase 1. It is not like that. Okay, so don't get demotivated because of this, or don't think like this, okay, I can't solve all the questions of C programming, I will not go to NSC exam. Okay, do not do like this, because lots of students will feel like this. That's why I'm telling to our student, apna government student. Okay, I exactly know that at what time, what feelings, what thoughts you will get. So for that I'm training you. Correct. So main, it is the process. Okay, once you read C programming, suppose for example, then you will solve GATE PYQs, then you will solve our blockwise strategy questions. Okay, so slowly you will get grip and you will get confidence in each of the topics under C programming subject. Correct. It is the process. It is not like one time you read and you are master in C programming. No, obviously it takes some time and it will require some time. So just give it like that. Okay, and whatever we are doing, just follow that, like P1 blockwise plus P2 subject completion, and slowly like this we will go. Okay, and continuously till NSC exam, as I already told in your blockwise strategy, do not give up. Okay, because obviously giving up is not the option, because your job is to get one seat out of this 598. Okay, our first priority is scientist B, and second, whatever we will get, definitely we will get that, right? But main thing is that because of this factor, if you are feeling demotivated, then no need to feel demotivated, because everyone, those who studied for now, okay, 99% of the student will not solve this 40% of questions. Okay, slowly they will get confidence, they will do more practice, and slowly this 40% will become 30%, then 20%, and 90, up to 90% you can reach in particular subject. Okay, obviously you can't solve each and every question of particular subject after reading it for 1,000 times also. Okay, out of 100, maximum 90, 95, 99 also I can say for some of the brilliant student. Okay, those who have good IQ, they can solve. But obviously, as I told, golden rule, don't forget our golden rule that I told you in our blockwise. Correct. So that is the thing. Okay, and now whatever time, okay, total time you are preparing, so out of that 10% to 20% time you can go for P1 blockwise strategy or revision. Okay, basically here you have to revise your notes and you have to just give our practice test, whatever I give in this sheet, whatever sheet I showed you earlier, right? Now, okay, so this is all about this 10 to 20%, and I guess all the guidelines I provided to you for phase 2. Correct. Again, individual to individual it will differ, but the main general guidelines will be phase 1 revision you will do 10 to 20% of your total time you will allocate for phase 1, and the remaining time you will do your phase 2 syllabus completion. Okay, now if you are comfortable, see, basically overall routine, if I am aspirant and I am preparing for NSC, now what I will do, I will just keep phase 1 subject, okay, in evening, because I feel little low in evening, so I will just revise in evening, and in morning basically I can start with phase 2 syllabus completion. Suppose I take computer network, okay, I will read it 2 hours or 3 hours depending on my total time. Okay, I divided that, and then second subject DLD I can start. Okay, if you want, if you are not comfortable in handling 2 technical subject, because along with technical our non-technical is also going on, like suppose CN and DL I do. Okay, then I will do with FT, I will try to complete FT 3 chapters, then after completion of FT I will go to reasoning, like that. Okay, so here you have all option, but here either you can take 1 subject or 2 subject. I will suggest you to take 2 subjects, but if you are not comfortable, then at least for a week start with first subject, and then slowly you can take 2 subjects. Okay, don't take 3 subjects at a time. No, first take 2 subjects maximum, means suppose you complete CN, then you can start COA, like that. Okay, so first CN DL you will start, then after completion of CN, DL and COA you will do. Okay, then DL also will get complete, then 1 only it will left, and revision of phase 1 plus phase 2, like that. I will definitely give you guidelines in the phase 3, but I hope you got the idea. Those who are working for that also, start with 1. Okay, utilize your Saturdays and Sundays, whatever you have leaves you have on this. Okay, properly utilize those this thing, because in 2023 it is the golden opportunity to get government job. Okay, and you know the current situation, so it's better to get government job. At least you will get lots of things from government job. Okay, and you can prepare or you can plan further things in your life with government job properly. That's why. Okay, so whatever you can do, just this Saturday Sunday for next 6 months, allocate all the Saturday Sundays, cancel your each and every plan. I will suggest you this. Okay, do not go anywhere, just sit at home and give maximum time to your preparation, because this time is very much important and it will not come again, right? Whatever videos you are watching, that video you will watch for first and last time, so properly give attention with full focus, try to gain the concept. It is not like you will watch videos at 1.5x or 2x. Okay, it is not like that. It is not an entertainment video, or it is something like that. You need to understand and apply those things whatever you are learning. Okay, so for that time is required. We have ample amount of time. Okay, so just give it. Correct. And for phase 2, basically already 15 days I give you extra, but still if you want, you can take 3 days in buffer. Okay, that is 15 plus 3. But again, when you will utilize these 3 days, when you have some emergency, okay, or suppose you not well, so in that you can, in this case you can use this 3 buffer 3 days. Okay, otherwise in 15 days try to complete your whole whatever I told you here. Correct. And already now every guidelines I give you, and if you want to ask me anything, definitely our chat and everything is there, you can ask me personally also, no problem. Okay, so all the best for your phase 3, phase 2. I will meet you in phase 3 now.